welcome to Ella Skincare, where I give you the best DIYs on skincare, cream reviews, and natural remedy. If this is your first time on my channel, you are absolutely welcome, and if you are returning, you are warmly welcome. How you are doing? Happy New Year to everybody. Happy New Year. This is a very good year. I just want to thank you all. I just want to say thank you to all my subscribers, to all my customers who have been buying products from me, my own products, industrial products, organic ingredients, everything. I just want to say a big thank you to all of you, and I also want to say thank you to God for making us see this beautiful year. It's not by our power, it's not by our might, but by His grace. Okay, His love for us. That's why we are here today. And this year is gonna be great. This year is gonna be marvelous. This year is gonna be good. Okay, this year is not gonna be like last year. I know last year I slacked a lot when it comes to my skincare channel. I slacked a lot. Okay, I was not putting videos, but that's not gonna happen this year. By God's grace, it's not gonna happen this year. So lovely to welcome. If you've seen the title, I'm gonna talk about a lotion called Pure Egyptian Secret. Okay, the Pure Egyptian Secret I'm going to talk about is the Pure Egyptian Secret Glutathione. Okay, they have a whole lot of different types. This is the one I'm talking about. This one right here. Okay, is the one I'm talking about. I'm using in the front part of my phone, so you might not see the words clear. Okay, I'm going to talk about the one that is Glutathione. They have different types. I'm going to display the pictures here on the screen for you to see. And like I said earlier, I'm going to talk about this one. So it says Pure Egyptian Secret Glutathione, Egyptian powder, Filipino powder and solution, alpha arbutin, glutathione. It has SPF 20, and they say it lightens the skin in 14 days. In 14 days, okay. It's a face and body lotion, maximum strength, lightening glutathione hand and body lotion, collagen. Okay, and under it says formulated to firm and brightens the skin. Listen, they did not say whitens the skin, it says brightens the skin. But I'm going to explain everything later so you can understand if you want to get this lotion, so you can get this lotion. Okay, it says brightening the skin with extra strength formula, consists of dramatic combination of 100% natural ingredients that target excessive melanin production. Okay, it contains 100% natural ingredients that target excessive melanin production on our skin. Okay, and it leaves the skin soft, moisturized all day. At the back, a whole lot of stuff are written in the back. Okay, with the ingredients and the rest. I'm not gonna read all that. And at the side, they said anti-pimples, anti-stretch mark, anti-aging, anti-wrinkles, anti-blemishes. I guess Pure Egyptian to a customer that is buying industrial products for me to try it out, because you all know I use my own personal skincare products. That's what I use on my skin. And from giving her the first bottle that I gave to her, the first time she used it, at first I was like telling her that since it's written Whitening, because then I didn't know anything about it. I'm not gonna lie. Okay, I never knew anything about it until I gave it to a customer to try it out. And from then I gave it to other people to also try it out, to see how good the lotion is, just for me to see how good, how bad the lotion is. So I gave it to her to try it out. At first, the first time she was like, she's not getting white in 14 days, that she wants to get white in 14 days, but she's not getting white in 14 days, that she's not getting white in 14 days. I was like, but Ma, if you look at the bottle very well, it says it brightens your skin. Okay, it brightens your skin. And it worked on her skin. Her skin was getting lighter and lighter, and the end of 1 month, okay, end of 1 month, her skin was lighter. The difference is clear. Not that she was too white, she's not that extraordinary white, but the difference is clear. You can tell and you can see that her skin is lighter. And from the second bottle, by the time she finished the second bottle, wow, her skin was so amazing. Skin was looking good, and from then I started giving it to other customers to use on their skin too. Okay, the cream is very nice, it's good. The collagen inside this lotion help a lot with those that are aged skin. So if you know you're having aged skin, you can use this lotion to help a lot. It really moisturize the skin, but I will not advise anybody to use this cream in the morning. Okay, in the morning. For that, my customers and for those that have been giving this lotion to, they'll be using this lotion only at night. They'll be using this lotion only at night, and in the morning they just use another nice moisturizing day cream. This Pure Egyptian Secret, they only use it at night. And using it as face cream, well, I will not advise anybody to use it as face cream. The people, I will not tell you to use this on your face, because for some, for their face, it was very nice on their face, it worked well on their face, but for some, they started having reaction on their face when using this on their face. Then those that this was working on their face, it was not really helping with pimples, okay, and then it was not really helping with acne, did not help with pimples, did not help with ache, acne, okay, though it was blending their skin, making their skin look okay, their face and their neck and their body is looking uniform, but they were still having little acne on their face, and their face was not smooth, okay, you know, the flawless smooth face that you want to have. This will not help you to get that kind of flawless smooth face. But when it comes to your body, it will help you a lot to have that beautiful nice skin. And when it comes to dark knuckles, well, for dark knuckles, this cream does not give dark knuckles, does not give dark feet, okay. Let's say like 20 to 1 to 20 people that have been using it, only like 2 people have complained of knuckles because they kind of mixed it with something. So this cream is super good on its own, and you don't need to mix it. But if you want to pro-mix this lotion, you can pro-mix this lotion. It's very good when pro-mixed, okay. It's very good when pro-mixed. I have a student of mine that bought this, and she actually pro-mixed it with a recipe, and it was really great. She pro-mixed it and the result was nice. She used this as her base cream for pro-mixing, and in fact the result was really good. So if you are very good with pro-mixing, you've already gone for a skincare training, or you have an ebook and you know how to pro-mix, you know how to formulate, you can actually formulate this pure resistance secret to make a very good whitening cream. But trust me, it's not going to be an proper whitening cream. It's going to be a whitening cream that is going to take you slow and steady. It's not going to be a whitening cream that will destroy your skin. It's not going to be a whitening cream that will bleach you excessively, but it's going to take you slow and steady. You can try this lotion out and you will love it. It's a great lotion that I want everyone to try out, okay. If you are using a product before and your product is good on your skin, please do not change the product that you are using. Continue to use your product, do not switch. But if you are someone if you are someone that wants something new, okay, you want to use a new product, you can actually switch to use this lotion, because this lotion is good. However, there are lots of fake out there in the market. You know, when there's a good product, there's a fake product. And for those that want to like lighten their skin and whiten their skin, you can actually use this. So lovely to find this video helpful. Please don't forget to press So lovely to find this video helpful. Please don't forget to press the thumbs up button to let me know you love this video, and hit subscribe button to subscribe if you haven't subscribed. Don't also forget to hit the post notification bell to get notified anytime I upload new videos. Till I see you in my next video, I always say remain blessed. Bye-bye.